Each and every neighborhood is a gold mine of potential home sellers. But how do you know who is most likely to sell next? In the olden days, realtors had to reach out to every single home in their market to identify a handful of potential sellers. But suppose you had a secret weapon. What if you were able to instantly know that the homeowners in these 3 houses have the highest probability of selling this year? Introducing Smart Targeting, a powerful predictive marketing system that analyzes massive amounts of data and local market trends on every home in your area to identify the triggers that lead to people selling their homes. The result, you know where to spend your time, and you land more listings. And Smart Targeting doesn't stop there. Once you know who is most likely to sell, our automated marketing campaigns kick in to keep your brands consistently in front of your top prospects. You can be confident knowing that while you're hard at work, Smart Targeting is working hard for you to bring you high-quality seller leads and to make you the local expert. Now that the marketing is off your plate, you can focus on what you do best, strengthening relationships with the right people to convert these leads into listings. As more leads come your way, it's more important than ever to stay organized and on track. With Smart Targeting's check-in feature, you'll be quickly alerted of new leads and can schedule and automate your follow-ups while you're on the go. No more trying to remember where you left off or who to follow up with next. Smart Targeting's check-in will remind you what's most important today, so an opportunity never falls through the cracks. Tracking your results and measuring your success is easier than ever with a simple dashboard that lets you keep tabs on things like lead conversion, marketing impressions, prediction results, and more. Work smarter and be the go-to agent in your area. It all means less wasted time chasing down unlikely deals, more time talking to real potential sellers, and ultimately more listings. And that is Smart Targeting.